Hey there, juicing enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of healthy and delicious juice recipes. Today we have a special topic for you, juice recipes specifically designed for diabetics. If you or a loved one is living with diabetes, it's important to be mindful of the ingredients you consume. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some amazing juice recipes that are not only safe for diabetics, but also incredibly tasty. So, buckle up, grab your juicer, and let's get started on this juicy journey. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about why juicing can be beneficial for those with diabetes. Juicing is a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of nutrients into your diet in a quick and convenient manner. By juicing fresh fruits and vegetables, you can easily consume a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help support your overall health. For diabetics, it's important to choose ingredients that are low in sugar and carbohydrates to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Luckily, there are plenty of fruits and vegetables that fit the bill, making juicing a great option for those managing diabetes. Recipe 1. Green Goddess Juice. Our first recipe is the Green Goddess Juice, a nutrient-packed concoction that is not only delicious but also diabetic-friendly. To make this juice, you'll need a handful of spinach, a cucumber, a green apple, peeled and cored, a knob of ginger, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Simply run all the ingredients through your juicer and watch as the vibrant green liquid fills your glass. This juice is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber and antioxidants. The addition of ginger adds a zesty kick, while the lemon juice provides a refreshing tang. This Green Goddess Juice is a perfect way to start your day on a healthy note. Recipe 2. Berry Blast Juice. Next up, we have the Berry Blast Juice, a colorful and flavorful concoction that is sure to delight your taste buds. For this recipe, gather a cup of mixed berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, a carrot, a celery stalk, and a handful of kale. Berries are low in sugar and high in antioxidants, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. The addition of carrots and kale adds a dose of beta-carotene and fiber, while celery provides a subtle hint of freshness. Run all the ingredients through your juicer and marvel at the vibrant purple hue of this Berry Blast Juice. It's a sweet and tangy treat that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Recipe 3. Citrus Sunshine Juice. Our final recipe is the Citrus Sunshine Juice, a zesty and invigorating blend that will brighten up your day. To make this juice, you'll need an orange, a grapefruit, a lemon, and a knob of turmeric. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, making them a great choice for boosting immunity and fighting inflammation. Turmeric adds a warm and earthy flavor, as well as anti-inflammatory properties. Simply juice all the fruits and turmeric together to create this vibrant and refreshing drink. The Citrus Sunshine Juice is the perfect pick-me-up for those sluggish afternoons and is a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. As you venture into the world of juicing for diabetics, here are a few tips to keep in mind. First and foremost, it's essential to choose ingredients that are low in sugar and carbohydrates to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Leafy greens, cucumbers, celery, and berries are excellent choices for diabetic-friendly juices. It's also a good idea to avoid adding extra sweeteners or high-sugar fruits to your juices. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit if you need a touch of sweetness. And of course, always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have diabetes. And there you have it, folks. Some delicious and nutritious juice recipes specifically tailored for diabetics. Juicing can be a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of nutrients into your diet and support your overall health, even if you're living with diabetes. So dust off your juicer, head to the kitchen, and give these recipes a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more juicing tips and recipes. Until next time, happy juicing.